So what are we doing here?
Pulling my belly hair out. Probably a good 100 of them right there. Fuck me.
Oh, it's not even
Oh, damn, that's a thick wad of hair.
It's not even going on it. It's not even going on it.
You know what? Let me see the pliers.
Wait.
Well, I gotta see it, so get it on and move your finger.
Bitch.
I'm trying. Who are you calling a bitch?
Calling the pliers a bitch.
Oh, okay.
Because they keep pulling just when you're close. Oh!
Okay, you ready?
Hey.
Ready?
Oh. Damn.
That's nasty.
Focus,
Where's your other ones
motherfucker.
at? Eat it. Where your other ones at? Because these ones aren't working.
Let me see this. That's a better way to do it. Just straight up. So like.
Are we doing puke?
No, like,
no.
I'm trying to prove something, man.
Alright, fine, do it.
Alright. Get some hair gathered up.
Oh, God. I thought we were just doing one.
Keep going.
Alright.
Ow, my head.
Oh, you wuss. Alright, fuck this.
I want to do it. Let me do it.
Oh.
You're not even doing it right.
And now for the pubes. Oh, I feel bad for you.
Ready?
Yes.
You sure?
Yo.
Oh,
Sure?
shit,
not
that's
sure.
a lot of hair.
Dude, your facial reaction